Hello and welcome in this my session. I am Vahitan. In the previous lecture, we discussed about how we can download and install Python, and along with we need some type of libraries for type of task like SymPy, SciPy, Matplotlib, etc. And by using pip, we can easily install these libraries. In the present lecture, we will discuss about Anaconda, how we can download and install, and how we can use this Anaconda for Python. See, very first, you need to click here, Anaconda. When you will click at the top, you can find out the link for the official website of Anaconda. When you will click on this link, the official website of Anaconda will open. You can find here the sign icon to download the Anaconda distribution. When you will click on it, the Anaconda distribution has been started to download. Okay, but I have already downloaded the same. I need not required to download it. You can proceed for the downloading. Okay. Now after downloading the same, you need to visit in your download and you can find this Anaconda in your download. To install, you need to double click on it. So when you will double click on it, it will start the process for installing. On this welcome to Anaconda 3.2022.05, and this is the setup for the Anaconda. Just you need to click on next, then you need to agree for the license agreement. I agree. Then I would like to install this Anaconda for all user. Select this option, then do next. After installation, you need to visit here and see this icon. When you will click on it, several files are open, and this is the Anaconda Navigator. Just you need to click on Anaconda Navigator. It will start to launch. It will take a couple of minutes in launching. Yes, you can see that the Anaconda Navigator has opened. There are several icons are available here. Sometimes it is required to update, and you can do easily update for the same. Here are, you can see all applications are available here. If you want to shortlist installed applications, click on it. So all these applications are installed in your system, and we can launch one of them according to our task. But for our this present course, we will use Spyder and Jupyter Notebook throughout this course. Okay. If you want to launch this Jupyter Notebook, just you need to click on this launch icon. So when you will click on it, this will Jupyter Notebook will launch. Okay, you can see the local host of the Jupyter, and if you want to open a new file, you can do easily, or if you have any file in your system, you can upload from this place also, and you can choose the corresponding file which is available in your system. And if you want to open a new file, just click on Python 3 IPy kernel. You can see that a new window is opening, and if you would like to rename it, then type here its a new name. This is Python with Anaconda. So this is the Python file, and if you would like to write any program in this file, and I am demonstrating here one example. See, suppose that I have a is equal to 7, enter, b is equal to I have 6, then enter, and c is equal to 8, then enter, and d is equal to I have a plus b plus c, then enter, and print d. Okay, so print d, and then you need to run this shell, And to run, you need to click on this icon where you can see run icon is here. Just you need to click on it. So as soon as you will click, this will return the output of this sequence of statements. So in the same way, you can write different type of programs by using Jupyter environment, and this is very helpful and useful for different type of programs, for machine learning, deep learning, for scientific programs, and many more. In the same way, we can use also Spyder. Okay, so when you will launch this Spyder, see here, this is the Spyder 5.1.1 and used for scientific Python development environment and powerful Python IDE with the advanced editing, interactive testing, debugging, and introspection features are available in this. Okay, so to launch, just you need to click on this icon. So you can see that the Spyder is going to launch, and this is the interface of the Spyder. Okay, Spyder Python 3.9, and there are several partitions like MATLAB. So here, okay. So here on the left partition, you can write your program and save it. And this is the console. This is the console, and here you can write the same statements as we write in Python as in Jupyter. See one example. Suppose that a is equal to, I have 8. If you would like to increase the font size, you can do also by pressing Control Shift and plus. Okay, so you can see the font size has been increased. Similarly, the next statement assignment we have is b is equal to 5. Third statement we have is c is equal to 2, and d is equal to we have is a plus b and product c. Then enter and print d. Okay, then control and enter. So yes, we have its output value, which is 18. So whether you are using Spyder or Jupyter or you are using Python, okay, so all the statements which we are using in Python, we can use in Spyder and Jupyter interface. All these will help in many different ways to save the file and to task very large programs, to manage all the packages and many more. I hope this presentation will help you in many ways. Thank you very much to see this lecture till the end.